All right. Okay. So what was the last thing that we have done? I think you people have attended one more class of bio. And what you have done in that class, what was the topic that you have done? What was the topic that you have covered in last class? Can you please let me know? Female reproductive part. All right. Just let me. Okay. Can you people see what I'm writing on the screen? Is it visible to everybody? I have written reproduction on the screen. Can you people see it? Yes. All right. All right. ठीक है. So we were doing female reproductive system. ठीक है. Female reproductive system कर रहे थे हम लोग. And we'll be okay. So have you people seen all the reproductive parts, and have you people seen all the explanation for that? Female reproductive system complete ho chuka hai? Please don't write on the whiteboard. Is it completed? The female reproductive system? Is it completed? क्या female reproductive system complete हो चुका है? Today I'll be taking your class on this whiteboard because I'm not available at the center. From next class, I'll be shifting to digital board. So please excuse me for this time. Take care for today. Please bear with me. We'll be taking your class from the whiteboard just for today. All right. And please let me know whether female reproductive system is completed or not. Okay, so मैं उसके आगे proceed करूँ. Otherwise, if you want me to start any other chapter, because now we'll be doing revision, right? अभी हम सिर्फ revision करेंगे because all of your chapter has been already completed. Schools है ना? आपके schools में already completed होंगे ये सब chapter. And have you people given pre-board? क्या आप लोग का pre-board हो चुका है? Have you people given your pre-boards? It's commencing from tomorrow. All right, all right. So is there any topic you want me to take? ऐसा कोई topic जो आपको नहीं समझ आया, you want me to start any particular topic? Is there any particular topic that you want me to start? Otherwise, I'll start oogenesis. If it's not like that, I'll start oogenesis. Do you want me to take some particular topic? Otherwise, I'll start oogenesis. Batao, is it fine? No, no means no oogenesis or no particular topic. We'll do oogenesis and we'll do menstrual cycle. Batao. If you do not have any particular topic in your mind, then no particular topic. All right. So then we'll do oogenesis and after that we'll do menstrual cycle. I hope it is fine with you all. Okay, let's start oogenesis, everybody. Okay, ठीक है. We'll be starting oogenesis, but before that we have already done spermatogenesis. ठीक है, spermatogenesis तो मैंने ही आप लोगों को करा दिया था. ठीक है, अभी we'll be doing oogenesis. Spermatogenesis हम already cover कर चुके हैं. So पहले एक बार spermatogenesis मुझको बताओ उसमें क्या था, what you people remember. ठीक है, एक minute, let me write it on the board. So today we'll be doing oogenesis. ठीक है. Okay, so before that we have already done spermatogenesis. ठीक है, हम already spermatogenesis कर चुके हैं. Okay, spermatogenesis is the formation of sperm. Spermatogenesis was the formation of sperm. ठीक है, it was the formation of sperm. ये आपका sperm formation था. And in that we have seen the complete cycle of spermatogenesis. कब start होता है and how does the sperms are formed. ठीक है, एक बार में कितने sperm बनते हैं. All right. So spermatogenesis हम already कर चुके हैं. Where does spermatogenesis take place? What is the location of spermatogenesis? Where does spermatogenesis takes place? कहाँ होता है? Testes में कहाँ? The particular location. Where in testes? कहाँ पे? Where in testes? Where in testes? सेमिनिफेरस टिब्यूल. ठीक है, सेमिनिफेरस टिब्यूल्स के अंदर होता है. इनसाइड द सेमिनिफेरस टिब्यूल स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस टेक्स प्लेस, राइट? सो वहां पे हम देख चुके हैं. नाउ वी विल बी सीइंग oogenesis. ओके, स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस स्टार्ट्स एट व्हाट एज? व्हेन डज स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस स्टार्ट्स? कब स्टार्ट होता है? व्हेन डज स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस स्टार्ट्स? Puberty. Why at puberty? What is the reason that your spermatogenesis starts at puberty? What is the reason? क्या रीजन है? व्हाट इज द रीजन व्हाई इट स्टार्ट्स एट प्यूबर्टी? क्यों प्यूबर्टी पे स्टार्ट होता है? व्हाट इज द रीजन? एनीबडी? आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू दिस. What is the reason? Why does it starts at puberty? बताओ प्यूबर्टी पे ऐसा क्या होता है? Is it related to some hormones? प्यूबर्टी पे ही क्यों स्टार्ट होता है? Because at puberty. Why at puberty? Because at puberty there is hormonal release. Which hormone is that? Which hormone is that? Which hormone starts? Gonadotropin. ठीक है. Gonadotropin releases at puberty because gonadotropins आपके puberty, yes GnRH gonadotropin releasing hormone gonadotropin, ठीक है. तो आपके GnRH या फिर जो आपके gonadotropins है they are released during puberty. That is why जो आपका spermatogenesis है वो आपका कहाँ start होता है? कहते हैं during puberty only, right? Please remove this. And now we'll be talking about oogenesis. ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले what is the location of oogenesis? Where does oogenesis take place? What is the location of oogenesis? Okay, how do you define oogenesis? It is formation of egg or ova. ठीक है. ठीक है. Formation of ovum from oogonia. ठीक है. Formation of ovum from oogonia. ठीक है. oogonia से ovum का formation, that is called oogenesis. ठीक है. It is called oogenesis. But as we have seen that spermatogenesis starts at puberty, but your oogenesis starts at embryonic development stage. ठीक है. It starts at embryonic development stage. देखो क्या होता है basically what happens embryonic development stage when when the girl child, ठीक है, when the girl child is at its embryonic stage, ठीक है, whenever the girl child is at embryonic stage, at that time only many what do you say, many oogonias, ठीक है, many oogonias get developed, ठीक है, at embryonic stage. ठीक है. जब girl child embryonic stage पे होता है, at embryonic stage only millions of oogonia are formed. ठीक है. Already oogonias has been formed. ठीक है. Millions of oogonias are formed. Embryonic stage पे ही, at embryonic stage only the millions of oogonias are formed and no more oogonias can be added after birth. ठीक है. This is very important. No more oogonia can be added after birth. Can be added after birth. ठीक है. बर्थ के बाद और oogonia ऐड नहीं होते. So at embryonic stage millions of oogonias, ठीक है, millions of oogonias are already formed. Millions of oogonia आपके already बन चुके हैं. After the birth no more oogonia can be formed. ठीक है. So your ovum basically it is formed from oogonia only. ठीक है. So embryonic development के time पे ही, during embryonic development जितना भी उगोनिया बनना था, ठीक है, the millions of oogonias have been already formed and no more oogonias can be added after that. ठीक है. तो ये हुआ. उसके बाद क्या होता है? From the birth, ठीक है, after the embryonic development, from the birth till puberty many stages takes place. ठीक है. From birth till puberty there are various stages that takes place in oogenesis. तो from embryonic development only the process starts. ठीक है. oogenesis के अंदर the process starts from the embryonic development only. That does not happen in spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis में it starts from puberty, but in oogenesis it starts from the embryonic developmental time. ठीक है. Is it clear? यहाँ तक clear हुआ? Do you have any doubts still here? No. Okay. So now see what happens at embryonic development. So many oogonias are formed. ठीक है. But many oogonias, okay, many oogonias degenerate. बहुत सारी ओगोनिया डीजनरेट हो जाते हैं टिल puberty because the further step will start after puberty only, है ना. The release of egg, ठीक है, the release of egg will start after puberty only. So till puberty so many oogonias have been already destroyed. ठीक है. So many oogonias have been already destroyed till puberty. तो जितना बचता है only that oogonias will be released after every month, right? So many oogonias get degenerated till puberty. Why they get degenerated? Because till puberty there is no hormone secretion. ठीक है? Why they get ये क्या है? Why they get degenerated? Because till puberty there is no hormone secretion. ठीक है? So till puberty they got degenerated. वो degenerate होते रहते हैं. ठीक है? वो आपके till puberty they will get degenerated and you will have only 60 to 80,000 primary follicles left. Only around 60 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in each ovary. ठीक है? दोनों ओवरी में till puberty. ठीक है? You had millions of oogonia. ठीक है? You had millions of oogonia, but till puberty only 60 to 80,000 primary follicle, means 60 to 80,000 oogonias are left. What is primary follicle? If this is oogonia, around them a layer of please follow me, everybody. Please follow me on the screen. Otherwise you won't be able to see what I'm writing here. Okay, thank you. Okay, so till puberty only 60 to 80,000 oogonias are left, which are surrounded by primary follicles. Okay, there are follicular cells. If this is your oogonia, okay, around that follicular cell, a layer of follicular cells develop. So till puberty you have only 60 to 80,000 primary follicles, means itna hi oogonia bachta hai, only this much oogonia is left. Others all oogonias got your destroyed till puberty. yahan tak clear hai? अब after this we'll start the proper oogenesis. ठीक है? After this we'll start the proper oogenesis. What all steps involved in oogenesis? Basically we have 3 steps. In oogenesis we have 3 steps. One is your multiplication phase. One is your multiplication phase. Then you have growth phase. Multiplication phase, growth phase, and then we have maturation phase. Okay, the complete oogenesis cycle is divided into 3 stages or 3 steps. The first one is multiplication phase, then you have growth phase, and after that you have maturation phase. ठीक है? So सबसे पहले हमारा multiplication phase आता है. What do we mean by multiplication phase? As you people remembers, in spermatogenesis also I have told you, at first you have one cell which is called primordial germ cell. ठीक है? In starting you have only one cell. In females also, in males also. ठीक है? You have one cell which is called primordial, because this will undergo multiplication and result into millions of oogonia. Okay, this is called primordial germ cell. So first the body have at embryonic stage the primordial germ cell, which is 2n. 2n means it is diploid. Okay, so sabse pehle you have a primordial germ cell which is diploid at embryonic stage. Okay, this is happening at embryonic stage. Now what will happen? During the embryonic development it will undergo multiplication phase. ठीक है? इसका multiplication होगा. There will be multiplication. For multiplication which division is there, mitosis or meiosis? What do we require for multiplication? Mitosis. ठीक है? So here mitosis will take place बहुत बार. ठीक है? Multiple mitosis will take place. Now you have 2 cells. ठीक है? So multiple mitosis होगा. There will be multiple mitosis. ऐसे फिर again it will undergo mitosis. ठीक है? So there will be multiple mitosis and finally you will get millions of oogonia. ठीक है? Finally you will get millions of oogonia. Now you people tell me, what is the ploidy of oogonia? Oogonia are haploid or diploid? What is the ploidy of oogonia? Is it haploid or diploid? Very good. ठीक है? Oogonias are diploid and it is happening at embryonic stage. Remember, this thing is happening at embryonic stage. Very good. ठीक है? This is happening at embryonic stage. Am I being clear till here? Do you have any doubts? Multiplication phase तक clear है? No, it's not clear, or you do not have any doubt? Is it clear? Yes. Okay. ठीक है. So this is a multiplication phase at embryonic. Remember, this is happening at embryonic stage. Does anything happens at embryonic stage in males? Does anything happens at embryonic stage in males? No. ठीक है? Their spermatogenesis, everything that happens in spermatogenesis, it starts after puberty. And what is the name of the cell from which sperms are produced? What is the name of cell from which sperms are produced? Somatogonia. Very good. Somatogonias are haploid or diploid? Very good. Okay. So now you got oogonias. Now what will happen? Then there will be growth phase. Okay. So here, if suppose this is your oogonia. Okay. This is your oogonia. Now oogonia will undergo development. Okay. oogonia का development होगा. It will develop. इसका growth होगा. Growth means increase in its size, increase in its volume. ठीक है. इसका growth होगा. After growth, the cell that you will get, it is called primary oocyte. ठीक है. After growth, the cell that you will get, it is called primary oocyte. Okay, this is known as primary oocyte. Now you tell me the ploidy of primary oocyte. What is the ploidy of primary oocyte? Very good. Diploid. Okay, the ploidy of primary oocyte is diploid. Why haploid? Meiosis has not taken place till yet. अभी meiosis हुआ ही कहाँ है? There is no meiosis. If it is diploid, this will also be diploid, right? Is it clear? 2n, correct. ठीक है. So from oogonia, after growth, there is only growth. ठीक है. सिर्फ growth हुआ है. Increase in size, increase in volume, just growth, right? So after growth, you got primary oocyte. ठीक है. This is primary oocyte which is diploid, and all of this is happening uh after your birth, during your childhood phase. ठीक है. This is happening after your birth, during childhood phase. ठीक है. All of this is happening during childhood. Childhood phase means before puberty. ठीक है. All of this is happening before puberty. ये वाला जो था, this happened in embryonic stage, when the baby is inside the mother's womb, right? After the birth, during childhood, ठीक है, till the time you have not attained puberty, there will be growth phase. ये बात समझ में आई? Is it clear? क्लियर. ऑल राइट. ठीक है. सो आपके पास ऊगोनिया था. ठीक है. ऊगोनिया का ग्रोथ हुआ. यू गॉट प्राइमरी oocyte. ठीक है. प्राइमरी oocyte मिला. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस अराउंड प्राइमरी oocyte? आफ्टर प्राइमरी oocyte देयर विल बी इनिशिएशन ऑफ meiosis 1. ठीक है. नाउ देयर विल बी meiosis 1. ठीक है. वी नो meiosis divided into two parts, right? So there will be meiosis 1. ठीक है. There will be initiation of meiosis 1, but meiosis 1 got arrested. Meiosis 1 will not be completed here. Okay, it got arrested at which stage? Meiosis 1 get arrested at which stage? Everybody, you must have done this. It got arrested at which stage? Prophase ka diplotin. It got arrested at diplotin of prophase 1. प्रोफेज कौन सा प्रोफेज? प्रोफेज 1. ठीक है. इट गॉट अरेस्टेड एट डिप्लोटीन डिप्लोटीन स्टेज ऑफ प्रोफेज 1. ठीक है. सो meiosis 1 starts, right? meiosis 1 starts and it get arrested at the diplotin stage of prophase 1. ठीक है. Now what happened when it got arrested? So during your childhood, okay, during the childhood, what happens around the primary oocyte? ठीक है. What happens around the primary oocyte? This is your primary oocyte. Follicles start developing. ठीक है. Around the oocyte, follicles start developing. The first follicle that develops, ठीक है, the first follicle that develops, this is called primordial follicle. Primordial follicle. ठीक है. Now inside the primordial follicle, you have primary oocyte. This is also important. ठीक है. Inside the primordial follicle, you have primary oocyte. ठीक है. After this, it converts to primary follicle. ठीक है. Now this becomes primary follicle. Now this becomes primary follicle. And inside, what do we have? Inside the primary follicle, we have primary oocyte. Just give. Okay. So at okay, then primordial follicle will develop. It becomes primary follicle, and then inside the primary follicle you have primary oocyte. Okay. Inside the primary follicle we have primary oocyte. Now all the primordial follicle will convert into primary follicle. All of this happens till puberty. Okay. As I have told you, till puberty, all the मतलब कि all the primary oocyte, they are covered with primary follicles, and you have only 60 to 80,000 primary follicles left. ठीक है, only 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles left, because during the puberty, ठीक है, till the time you achieve puberty, it's around 10-11 years after your birth, right? So till that time, these follicles, they start getting degenerated. Why? Because there is no hormone which can take care of them, ठीक है, which help in their development. So there is no hormones, right? So till that time, you have only 60 to 80,000 primary follicles left. Is it clear? Bolo, is it clear? Yes, all right. Now see what happens after this. Okay, so after this, what happens? This primary follicle, now you have reached puberty. This primary follicle converts into secondary follicle. Okay, this primary follicle converts into secondary follicle, which converts into tertiary follicle. ठीक, that means more layers get deposited. ठीक है, but you tell me, inside the secondary follicle, inside the tertiary follicle, which oocyte is present? Primary oocyte. Very important. Which oocyte is present? Primary oocyte. Now see what happens inside the tertiary follicle. ठीक है, when you reach the stage of tertiary follicle, inside the tertiary follicle, inside the tertiary follicle, what happens? Meiosis 1 is completed. ठीक है, meiosis 1 is completed. Inside the tertiary follicle, your meiosis 1 get completed. यहाँ पे meiosis 1 complete होता है. So now what do we have? ठीक, what do we have? We have secondary oocyte. Now your primary oocyte. ठीक है, देखो. Yes, correct. You had primary oocyte. It complete meiosis 1. ठीक है, it completes meiosis 1. Now you got okay, you got secondary oocyte. Okay, this is your secondary oocyte surrounded by which follicle? Surrounded by which follicle? Graafian follicle. ठीक है, now your tertiary follicle becomes Graafian follicle. All right, मतलब उसमें और डेवलपमेंट होता है, and your tertiary follicle become Graafian follicle. Now you have secondary oocyte inside Graafian follicle, and what is this? ये छोटा सा जो प्रोड्यूस हुआ है, what is this? This is your first polar body which get degenerated. Okay, it get degenerated because most of the cytoplasm it gets accumulated in secondary oocyte. Okay, most of the cytoplasm get accumulated in secondary oocyte. Polar body is very small; it has very little cytoplasm, so it get degenerated. Okay, now you have secondary oocyte, right? Secondary oocyte surrounded by Graafian follicle, right? Now what happens after this? In secondary oocyte, meiosis 2 starts. Okay, here meiosis 2 starts. ठीक है, यहाँ पे meiosis 2 starts होएगा and it get arrested at which stage? Meiosis 2 get arrested at metaphase 2. Very good. Meiosis 2 get arrested at metaphase 2. Now what happened? Every month, one secondary oocyte covered with Graafian follicle releases. ठीक है, every month, one secondary oocyte covered with Graafian follicle it releases. ठीक है, ये release होगा and it reaches the fallopian tube. ठीक है, secondary oocyte releases and reaches fallopian tube. ठीक है, secondary oocyte releases. So if I ask you during ovulation, ovulation क्या होता है? Release of ovum from ovary. ठीक है, so basically ovary releases ovum or it releases secondary oocyte. Ovary releases ovum. Ovum is the final egg, right? Ovum is the final egg, but actually ovary releases what? Is it releases ovum or secondary oocyte? क्या रिलीज करती है? इट रिलीजेस ओवम और सेकेंडरी oocyte. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली योर ओवरी डज नॉट रिलीजेस ओवम. ठीक है, ओवम कब बनेगा? ओवम विल बी फॉर्म्ड आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ सेकेंडरी सॉरी meiosis 2, but here meiosis 2 has not been completed. So the thing which is secreted, which is released from the ovary, it is not ovum, actually it is secondary oocyte. Am I clear? Am I clear with this point? Shall I move? Okay. Okay. So now secondary oocyte releases and it reaches the fallopian tube. Now there could be two possibilities. Okay. Inside fallopian tube, there could be two possibilities. One, there is no fertilization. Okay. One possibility is that there is no fertilization. Other possibility is there is fertilization. One is there is no fertilization. Other possibility is there is fertilization, right? Now, if there is no fertilization, okay, if there is no fertilization, what will happen? Your oocyte will get degenerated. Okay, oocyte, yes, get degenerated after 24 hours. वहां पे रहेगा, it will stay there for 24 hours and it will get degenerated. If there is no fertilization, oocyte get degenerated. But if there is fertilization, okay, if there is fertilization में as soon as your sperm touches the membrane of secondary oocyte, as soon as sperm touches the plasma membrane of secondary oocyte. Okay, as soon as it touches the plasma membrane of secondary oocyte, your meiosis 2 will be completed. Okay, your meiosis 2 is completed, not continue, it is completed. Yes, continue means it will get completed, correct. Okay, meiosis 2 is completed. यहाँ पे आपका meiosis 2 क्या हो जाएगा? Your meiosis 2 will get completed. Why? Because there is मतलब कि there is breaking of आपका एनाफेज प्रोमोटिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स यहाँ पे रिलीज होगा, ठीक है, एंड मेटाफेज जो आपका मेटाफेज था वो ब्रेक हो जाएगा, राइट. सो यहाँ पे आपका मेटाफेज ब्रेक होके एनाफेज स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है. सो मियोसिस 2 इज कंप्लीटेड. आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ मियोसिस 2, व्हाट विल हैपन? आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ मियोसिस 2, यू विल सी again there will be formation of two cells. One will be your second polar body. ठीक है, one could be your second polar body and the other will be your what? The other will be your ovum. Ploid ही रह गया हमारा ऊपर से. What is the ploidy of your, कहाँ से लिखा था हमने? This is done. What is the ploidy of secondary oocyte? N, correct. Haploid, very good. And what is the ploidy of your ovum? N. ठीक है. So as soon as, देखो, this is the plasma membrane, this is the nucleus. As soon as it touches the sperm, your division starts. ठीक है, division start होता है. Now you get ovum. अब the nucleus of ovum and the nucleus of sperm, it get मतलब कि it they come in contact and fertilization will be completed. ठीक है, after this your fertilization will be completed. ठीक है. So this is what we call oogenesis. ठीक है, ये पूरा आपका क्या हो गया? This is what we call oogenesis. बताओ यहाँ तक क्लियर है? यहाँ तक किसी को कुछ डाउट है? Do we have any doubts in oogenesis? Do you want to ask something from oogenesis? No doubts. Have you people noted it down? Clear. All right. Have you people noted it down? एक बार देख लो. Then we'll start your menstrual cycle. Just look at it once. Any doubt, ask me, and then we'll start your menstrual cycle. I hope you people are able to scroll the screen up and down or not. Just take a look at it. पूरा एक बार देखो Genesis. If you have any doubt, then ask me. When ovum become mature, see, पिंक कलर कैसे हो गया? See what happens when क्या कहते हैं, okay, see what happens when your meiosis 2 takes place, ठीक है? Whenever your meiosis 2 takes place, ठीक है, just after meiosis 2 your ovum is mature, because ovum बनता ही तब है when there is when your sperm comes in contact with the ovum, है ना? ovum कब बना है? ovum is ठीक है, it is formed when your sperm comes and touches the plasma membrane, ठीक है, then only your ovum is formed, ठीक है, so then your ovum is your then the ovum which is formed, it is a matured ovum, right? उस समय जो आपका ovum बना है, that is your matured ovum. उससे पहले तक तो वो oocyte ही था, before that it was oocyte only, right? Are you getting my point? Anybody else? देख लो, do you have any doubts in this? After then we'll start menstrual cycle. No. Okay. चलो, so now let's begin with the menstrual cycle. ठीक है, so next is your menstrual cycle. Now see what happens. Okay, see what happens in menstrual cycle. First of all, if we take the average, it मतलब कि it the span for menstrual cycle is around 28 to 29 days, ठीक है? It differs from person to person, ठीक है? It differs from female to female. Like some have about 26 to 27 days, some could have about 31 days, 32 days, ठीक है? But if you see the average is about 28 to average part is from 28 to 29 days. क्या क्वेश्चन है अभी, क्या डाला तुमने? विच पार्ट ऑफ ग्रेफिन फॉलिकल secrete estrogen? ग्रेफिन फॉलिकल का पार्ट यू वांट टू नो? हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी? हाँ, देखो, अब ग्रेफिन फॉलिकल की अगर हम बात करें, सो आफ्टर द डेवलपमेंट यू नो दैट द लेयर्स गॉट डिवाइडेड, है ना? लेयर्स डिवाइड हो जाता है, आपने ओवरीज का डेवलपमेंट पढ़ा होगा उसके अंदर, यू मस्ट हैव सीन द डेवलपमेंट, एंट्रम वगैरह, इंटरना वगैरह जो बनता है, ठीक है ना? सो जो आपका एक होता है थीका इंटरना एंड थीका एक्सटर्ना, राइट? सो यू हैव थीका इंटरना, थीका एक्सटर्ना, उसमें जो थीका इंटरना वाला पार्ट होता है, द पार्ट विच इज कॉल्ड थीका इंटरना, इट रिलीजेस योर एस्ट्रोजन, ठीक है? तो जो एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन होता है, इट गेट रिलीजेस फ्रॉम थीका इंटरना पार्ट. समझ आया? आर यू ऑल फेमिलियर विद थीका इंटरना एंड एक्सटर्ना, राइट? हाँ, सो जो थीका इंटरना वाला पार्ट होता है, इट सिक्रीट्स योर एस्ट्रोजन। ठीक है, और कोई क्वेश्चन किसी को? शैल आई मूव फॉरवर्ड? क्लियर, ऑल राइट, चलो। सो नाउ वील बी टॉकिंग अबाउट मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल। ठीक है, इट गोज अराउंड टू 28 to 29 डेज फॉर एवरेज। ठीक है, एवरेज अगर लेके चले तो हम, राइट नाउ मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल जब हम पढ़ते हैं, वी नीड टू सी द चेंजेस ऑफ टू टाइप्स ऑफ हॉर्मोन्स। एक आपके ओवरियन हार्मोन होते हैं, एक आपका यूट्रस, द हार्मोन विच इज सिक्रेटेड ऑन यूट्रस, जो आपका कहते हैं, सॉरी, पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन्स होते हैं, और दूसरा आपका ओवरियन हार्मोन्स होते हैं। ठीक है, दोनों के लेवल में कैसे कैसे चेंज आता है, हाउ डज द लेवल ऑफ दीज हार्मोन चेंजेस, दैट रिजल्ट into various stages of these cycles. ठीक है, so basically यहाँ पे हमें दो hormones देखने हैं. We need to see ovarian hormones. What are the ovarian hormones? What are the two ovarian hormones and what are the two pituitary hormones? Estrogen and progesterone. And what about pituitary hormones? Pituitary hormones कौन से? LH and FSH. Very good. So in दोनों के in both these hormones, LH, FSH, estrogen, progesterone, ठीक है, their concentration changes and that lead to various stages of your menstrual cycle, right? So now there are few terms related to menstrual cycle. One is your first. Okay, what actually is menstrual cycle? How can we define what actually is menstrual cycle? So the period from first menstruation, menstruation is the flow that happens in menstrual cycle, right? So the period from first menstruation to another, so that complete period, that complete span of days, it's known as your menstrual cycle, right? So it starts from first menstruation to the another menstruation. उसके बीच का जितना भी time period होता है, that makes your menstrual cycle. What do we call the first? Yes, correct, degeneration of endometrium, right? But I'm talking about the cycle. When do you call it a cycle? So it starts from one menstruation to another menstruation, right? And the first कहते हैं, the first menstruation is called menarche, right? And what is the last menstruation called? Menopause. Correct. ठीक है. Now on based of this, first of all, your menstrual cycle divided into 4 phases. You have 4 phases of menstrual cycle. ठीक है, what are those 4 phases? What is the first phase? What is the first phase? What is the first phase of menstrual cycle? Anybody? It is your menstrual phase. The first phase is menstrual phase, or we also call it bleeding phase. Because at this time, the endometrium breaks and there will be blood loss from the uterus coming out through the vagina, right? So this is the menstrual phase, which is also called bleeding phase. Okay, सबसे पहला phase, yes, bleeding phase रहेगा, which is also called menstrual phase. It lasts for 3 to 5 days, right? It lasts for 3 to 5 days. ठीक है, 3 to 5 days रहेगा. And what is important you need to see in every phases is the events that is taking place in your ovary. What are the ovarian events, what are the uterus events, and how does hormonal changes taking place, right? So first of all, if we talk about the hormonal changes, that what hormonal changes takes play are happening during your menstrual phase. ठीक है, menstrual phase में क्या hormonal changes हो रहे हैं, right? So we can divide your menstrual phase in two parts. One is your early phase, ठीक है, just starting a menstrual phase. The other is your late phase. Late means at the end of menstrual phase. Okay. So what happens at the early phases? See, whenever there is bleeding, that means the level of progesterone is low, because progesterone is the pregnancy hormone, right? Progesterone is also called pregnancy hormone, right? है ना? So it is pregnancy hormone. Till the time you have progesterone, the endometrial lining cannot be degraded. Okay, it cannot be degraded because progesterone helps in the uh, maintenance of your endometrial lining, right? So now, because endometrial lining has broken down, that means the level of progesterone will be low. So in early when there is menstrual phase, at early, yes, at early phases the progesterone level is low, and also estrogen will be low. ठीक है, progesterone is low, estrogen is low, and also your FSH, LH, all of them have low concentration. ठीक है, if you see the early phases, the concentration of all the hormones is at the lower level. Now if you see at the later stages, ठीक है, what happens? Progesterone again, it will be lower, right? Estrogen is also lower because there is no follicle to secrete estrogen, correct? So progesterone कम है, estrogen भी कम होगा, ठीक है. But what you will see that gradually, now what will happen? Gradually LH and your FSH starts increasing gradually. धीरे धीरे बढ़ना start करेंगे, because now they need to increase it, because now they need to make follicles. ठीक है, follicles बनेगा. Now they need to repair your endometrial lining. So slowly your LH and the level of LH and FSH, it starts increasing. समझ आया? Is it clear? The changes in hormones. ठीक है, so this is the hormonal changes. Now if we see the ovaries, what is happening inside the ovary? ठीक है, what will be happening inside the ovary? See, whenever your क्या कहते हैं, their ovum is getting degenerated, so it has released tertiary follicle inside the ovary, है ना? That tertiary or Graafian follicle, it remains inside the ovary. If it is inside the ovary, now your ovarian your tertiary follicles would have converted into corpus luteum, right? If you people remember, the tertiary follicles must have converted into corpus luteum, yes or no? Whenever the ovum is released or the secondary oocyte is released from your tertiary follicle, it converts into corpus luteum. Okay? If there is pregnancy, this corpus luteum will remain as it is. But if there is no pregnancy, this corpus luteum, it starts degenerating. So now inside the ovary, or corpus luteum is getting degenerated, right? So this is happening inside the ovary. Now if you see inside the uterus, what is happening inside the uterus? Breaking of endometrium lining. Breaking of endometrium lining. ठीक है, यूट्रस में क्या हो रहा है? What is happening inside the uterus? There is breaking of endometrium lining. Your endometrium lining is getting broken down. ठीक है, endometrium lining break हो रहा है. क्यों? Because there is decrease in progesterone and estrogen. ठीक है, क्यों break हो रहा है? Due to low level of progesterone, estrogen, so there will be breakage of endometrium lining. ठीक है, endometrium lining आपका क्या करेगा? Break करेगा. So this is all. This is the events which is happening during the menstrual phase or the bleeding phase in uterus, ovary, and the hormonal changes. बताओ, is this phase clear to everybody? And this is the time when menstruation start. This is the time when we start counting the menstrual cycle. This is the first day of menstrual cycle. ठीक है ना? Whenever there is menstruation, that will be the first day of menstrual cycle. Clear? Everybody, bleeding phase is clear or not? Okay. Chalo, moving forward to the next phase. All right. Second. So after menstrual or bleeding phase, what is the second phase that we have? We have follicular phase. Correct. Because now one ovum is got degenerated. Now next ovum need to be released. For that, your secondary follicle needs to be developed in tertiary follicle. After tertiary follicle, you have Graafian follicle. So that development will again start taking place. ठीक है, वो development start होगा. So that phase is called follicular phase. ठीक है, this is your follicular phase. और इसको हम proliferative phase भी कहते हैं. We also call it proliferative phase. ठीक है, so this is your follicular phase or proliferative phase. Now see what happens. Okay, so now you have follicular phase. Now what happens in follicular phase is, if you see the ovary, ठीक है, पहले हम ovary events देख लेते हैं, ठीक है. What happens in ovary? There will be follicular development, ठीक है. ovary में क्या हो रहा है? ovary के अंदर there will be follicular development, ठीक है. There is follicular development inside the ovary, क्योंकि अब now ovary में, because now next egg needs to be released, next ovum needs to be released, for that there will be follicular development. So ovary के अंदर there will be follicular development. कैसे होगा follicular development? Around 6 to 12 primary follicles, ठीक है, because you had primary follicles in ovary, they convert into secondary follicle, ठीक है. You have around 1 to 2 secondary follicle, ठीक है. Around 6 to 10 primary follicles start developing, and from them only 1 to 2 develops into secondary follicle. From 1 to 2 secondary follicle, only one converts into tertiary follicle, ठीक है. Only one converts into tertiary follicle, which later on becomes Graafian follicle. So this is the development of follicles which is happening inside the ovary after menstruation, because once it become Graafian follicle, then only your meiosis 1 will get completed, ठीक है, and you will get your after one meiosis 1 complete हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आपका क्या मिल जाएगा? आपको secondary oocyte मिलेगा, ठीक है. This is the events which is happening inside the ovary. ovary में आपका follicular changes हो रहा है, right? Now let us see what is happening inside uterus. Because now endometrial lining has been broken down, अब उसका repair करना है, we need to repair that lining, ठीक है. So endometrial cell और wall repairing, ठीक है, इसका repairing start होगा, okay. And then you will see क्या कहते हैं, मायोमेट्रियम का भी रिपेयर स्टार्ट हो जाता है, बट बेसिकली एंडोमेट्रियम सेल का रिपेयरिंग स्टार्ट होता है. क्यों? बिकॉज there will be increase in estrogen. Repair start hota hai endometrium ka. There is again formation of endometrial lining because there is increase in estrogen. And why we have more estrogen now? What event is responsible for increase in concentration of estrogen? Why we have more estrogen now? एस्ट्रोजन किस वजह से प्रोड्यूस हुआ है? Yes, FSH is more because FSH तो start हो गया है, ठीक है. Also because now we have follicles releases. I told you ठीक है, externa it releases estrogen, ठीक है. Now you have follicles which release, yes, ठीक है, the follicles release estrogen. So now gradually what do we have? FSH, LH, they are gradually increasing. जो पहली already start हो गया था, they are gradually increasing, and then you have estrogen level which is high, ठीक है. You have more estrogen due to follicles. This estrogen is responsible for the reformation of your endometrial wall. Is it clear? This is your follicular phase. बताओ, है ना? And these two phases, the first and second, ठीक है, these two phases, first one and second one, these are pre-ovulatory phase. This happens before ovulation. These are pre-ovulatory phases, ठीक है. This first and second, these are your pre-ovulatory phase. Why they are pre-ovulatory phases? Because this is happening before ovulation. ये दोनों event before ovulation हो रहे हैं, because now follicles have been developed, endometrial lining has been reformed, right? After this there will be ovulation, ठीक है. जैसे follicles बन जाते हैं, follicle का development हो गया, endometrial lining बन चुका है, after then your egg will be released, after then ovulation will take place. So your first and second phase, they are pre-ovulatory phases. Am I clear with this? बताओ, ठीक है. Next, third will be your ovulatory phase. Third is your ovulatory phase. Now, one thing is fixed about it. Ovulatory phase always happens at the 14th day of cycle. Yes, 14 day नहीं, 14th day of cycle, ठीक है. It happens at the 14th day of cycle, ठीक है. Whatever be your cycle, whenever it starts, at the 14th day ovulation takes place. ठीक है, it is fixed, it happens at the 14th day of cycle. So ovulation का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by ovulation? Release of secondary oocyte. Okay, so there will be release of secondary oocyte into fallopian tube, which happens at the 14th day of cycle. Now what happens due to this? ठीक है, ovary में क्या होगा? If we look at the ovary, there is rupture of Graafian follicle because वहीं से release होगा. Rupture of Graafian follicle. There will be rupture of Graafian follicle, ठीक है, and from Graafian follicle there will be release of secondary oocyte. ठीक है, there will be release of secondary oocyte. ठीक है, and if you see the hormones, there will be LH and FSH surge peak पे होगा. ठीक है, majorly LH surge is responsible for ovulation. LH and FSH at their surge, estrogen level increases. Estrogen level increases. Why estrogen increases? Because if whenever FSH is at peak, जब भी FSH peak पे होता है, it give positive feedback to estrogen. क्या कर रहे हो? Bring it back. Yeah. If FSH is at peak, it gives positive feedback to estrogen. So that is why you are seeing high level of estrogen also. Okay, so here LH is high, FSH is high, and also estrogen level is also at peak. Why? Because FSH gives positive feedback to it. समझ आया? बोलो, is it clear? All right. So this is your third phase. There are no major changes happening inside the uterus. ठीक है, अभी uterus में कोई major change नहीं हो रहा. Same, the development of endometrial lining is taking place, right? Because it is getting ready for the pregnancy. Okay. Now the last phase, the fourth phase is known as luteal phase. Or what do we call it? Yes. ठीक है, next is your luteal phase, or we also call it secretory phase. ठीक है, अब क्या होगा? What happens in luteal or secretory phase? See, why we are calling it luteal phase? Because there is formation of corpus luteum. How we got corpus luteum? From where we are getting corpus luteum? From where we are getting corpus luteum? From Graafian follicle. ठीक है, the ruptured Graafian follicle. Once your Graafian follicle got ruptured, the ruptured Graafian follicle, it will release what? The ruptured Graafian follicle, it will become corpus luteum inside the ovary. ठीक है, it will become corpus luteum. That corpus luteum will start secreting what? Will start secreting your progesterone. Why do we require progesterone at this time? Why corpus luteum starts secreting progesterone? What is the need of progesterone at this time? Why do we need progesterone at this time? Hello? Why corpus luteum starts secreting progesterone? Why do we need progesterone at this time? What is the use of progesterone? Why do you need to maintain endometrium? See, because after ovulation has taken place, yes, the uterus is getting ready for implantation. For that, you need to maintain the endometrial lining. So now corpus luteum will start secreting progesterone, which is the pregnancy hormone. Progesterone का level बढ़ेगा. Other hormones are comparatively at lower concentration. Other hormones are comparatively lower concentration. Progesterone का ज़्यादा होता है. ठीक है, progesterone has more concentration to maintain endometrial lining. Right, this happens in luteal phase, and this phase is also for fixed days. It's a constant phase. It take place for 14 days. ठीक है, at 14th day you have ovulation, and for 14 days after that you have your luteal. After 14 days now mens will start taking place. After menstruation हो जाएगा. After 14 days there will be menstruation. ठीक है, clear? Okay, so ये तो हमारा हार्मोन हो गया. Now inside ovary, if you see at this stage, there will be ruptured follicle. ठीक है, we had ruptured follicle inside the ovaries. They have converted into corpus luteum. They have converted into corpus luteum. ठीक है, और corpus luteum का भी maximum development हो जाता है at 22nd day. ठीक है, corpus luteum it has its maximum development at 22nd day. ठीक है, at 22nd day it has its maximum development. है ना, तो ये आपका ओवरी के अंदर हो गया. You have corpus luteum, it starts secreting progesterone. एंडोम थिकनेस हो जाएगा. मैक्स थिकनेस ऑफ एंडोमेट्रियल लाइनिंग कहाँ गया? मैक्स थिकनेस, वेट, you have max thickness of endometrial lining. ठीक है, because now it needs to get ready for implantation in case there is pregnancy. ठीक है, so it becomes more sticky. This happens inside the uterus. ठीक है, and all of this is happening due to progesterone. Why due to progesterone? Because progesterone is the pregnancy hormone. ठीक है, now what happens if fertilization take place? ठीक है, if there is fertilization, your corpus luteum it will secrete multiple hormones. ठीक है, if there is fertilization, corpus luteum will secrete estrogen, it will secrete progesterone. ठीक है, it secrete two other hormones, inhibin and relaxin. ठीक है, it secrete two other hormones, that is your inhibin and relaxin. What happens if there is fertilization? ठीक है,
Okay.
if there is fertilization, what will happen? This corpus luteum it will secrete four hormones. One is your progesterone, which is required to continue the pregnancy, right? So progesterone is required. So you'll have progesterone, you will have estrogen. Then there are two other hormones. One is inhibin, other is relax. ठीक है, this is required at the later stages of pregnancy. ठीक है, so what happens now? This is the last phase. ठीक है, the luteal phase. अगर fertilization हुआ है, if there is fertilization, we know the corpus luteum will be there. It will keep on secreting progesterone. ठीक है, it will keep on secreting progesterone that will help pregnancy, right? But if there is no pregnancy, it will get degenerated. Degenerate होगा, there will be no progesterone and menstruation will take place. Menses will take place. So that is how these four phases occurs in 28 to 29 days. And I have told you all the changes that take place in ovaries as well as uterus. What are the hormonal changes we have already dealt with. Okay, so please have a look at it. If you have any doubts, write in the chat box. Then we do fertilization. Please have a look at it. If you have any doubts, let me know. Yes, corpus albicans. ठीक है, after corpus luteum. ठीक है, after the degeneration of corpus luteum you have corpus albicans. ठीक है, after that we have corpus albicans. देखो इसमें कुछ डाउट है तो लेट मी नो. Please have a look over it. See all the 4 phases. If you have any doubts, then let me know. After that, I'll start fertilization. ठीक है? Please have a look over it. देख लो एक बारी. कोई भी doubt होता है, let me know. Then I'll start fertilization. Please follow me on the board. Otherwise, you won't be able to see what I'm writing here. Yep. Okay, estrus cycle, basically there are 2 types of animals. Primates होते हैं, एक non primates होते हैं, ठीक है ना? So the cycle that occurs in your primates, like monkeys, apes, humans, है ना? So primates में जो cycle होता है, that is menstrual cycle, right? And non primates जो हो गए आपके cow, dog वगैरह, which are not primates, ठीक है? उनके अंदर जो cycle होता है, that is your menstrual cycle. मेंस्ट्रुअल में क्या होता है, एंडोमेट्रियम शेड हो जाता है, द एंडोमेट्रियम इट गॉट शेड, राइट? बट इन ईस्टर साइकिल योर एंडोमेट्रियम इज रीअब्सॉर्ब्ड, ठीक है? इट गेट रीअब्सॉर्ब्ड. सो देयर आर सम डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन दीस टू साइकिल, बट मेजर डिफरेंसेस एक प्राइमेट्स में हो रहा है, द अदर इज हैपनिंग इन नॉन प्राइमेट्स. एक सीजनल ब्रीडर्स होते हैं, एक आपके रेगुलर ब्रीडर्स होते हैं, ठीक है? बताओ हो गया? शैल आई मूव फॉरवर्ड? फर्टिलाइजेशन देख लें एक बारी. ओके, see the board, is it visible? Okay, so how do you define fertilization? Is fusion of male and female gamete, right? The fusion of male and female gamete. Okay, the fusion of sperm and ovum, it is called fertilization. Site of fertilization, where does it take place? What is the site of fertilization? Ampulla. Okay, it is ampulla, or technically correct is ampullary isthmic junction. Okay, either it is ampulla or it could be ampullary isthmic junction. Okay, so at ampulla, fertilization takes place. After fertilization, the zygote will enter into the uterus and it get implanted. So this is your fertilization. Now we'll see the mechanism of fertilization. Okay, let us see the mechanism of fertilization. Now see what happens. सबसे पहले तो we have sperms coming. ठीक है, sperms coming, These sperms are present in which medium? What is the medium of sperm? It is acidic or alkaline? What is the medium of sperm? Is it acidic or alkaline? Alkaline medium. Okay, they are coming with alkaline medium, right? And they are covered with some protein vesicles. Okay, around them they are covered with some protein vesicles that somehow reduces their speed. Okay, that somehow reduces their speed, right? So these are the sperm coming inside the female body. As soon as they enter the female body, they need to travel through the vagina, right? They need to travel through the vagina. This is the vagina layer. What is the medium in vagina? Is it acidic or alkaline? What is the medium inside vagina? It is acidic or alkaline? कैसा है? Acidic, right? So if something is coming from alkaline medium and now it is entering into acidic medium, so there will be many sperms which will get dead inside vagina only, right? Because they are coming to a different environment, they are coming to a different medium. So at vagina only, the first side, many of the sperms would get destroyed, many of the sperms would get killed due to acidic medium. Okay, what happens? They enter into the acidic medium. Once they cross the acidic medium, okay, once they cross the acidic medium, these protein vesicles which I explained you here, these protein vesicles, they get destroyed. Okay, protein vesicles destroyed. ठीक है, these protein vesicles they get destroyed. ये protein vesicle destroyed हो जाते हैं and they lead to a process which is called capacitation. ठीक है, this lead to a process which is called capacitation of sperm. That means it increases their motility, it increases their speed, because आगे protein vesicles present है which are now reducing their speed and motility. Once you destroy these vesicles, now they are free to move. ठीक है, now they are free to move. It is called capacity. Please follow me on the screen. Everybody, please follow me on the screen. Can you people see the screen? दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? Can you see the screen? Okay, okay. So now what will happen? The capacitation of sperm, where it is happening inside the vagina. Okay, inside the vagina, female capacitation of sperm happens. After that, what will happen? Okay, once the capacitation, once, हाँ बोलो, कोई कुछ कह रहा है? ठीक है, once the capacitation is done, oh. Now it will reach towards the ovum. Okay, now it will reach towards the ovum. Now ovum has multiple layers. Okay, we know that ovum has multiple layers. Okay, ovum का भी multiple layers हैं. Gaurav, Aditya, please follow me on the screen. Let me do that for you. Are you not able to see the screen? Gaurav and Aditya, are you not able to see the screen? Is it visible to you people? Can you see it? ठीक है, चलो देखो. Now let us see the structure of ovum, what all layers are present, because sperm need to cross all these layers, right? Sperm need to cross all these layers. Please remove these boxes from here. Whoever has put it, please remove these boxes from here. Yeah, this line also. Done. Okay, so this is your ovum. Inside you have a nucleus. Okay, inside it has a nucleus. Okay, so let us see the layers around it. The first layer that it has is your plasma membrane. Suppose this is the plasma membrane. After plasma membrane, it has a very tough layer which is called zona pellucida. Okay, after plasma membrane, it has a very tough layer which is your zona pellucida. Right. This is zona pellucida. Between your plasma membrane and zona pellucida, the space which is present, this is called perivitelline space. Okay, this is your perivitelline space, zona pellucida, plasma membrane. After zona pellucida, you have some cells arranged over it. Okay, there are some cells or arranged over it, the cellular layer, which is corona radiata. Sperm need to cross all these layers before touching the plasma membrane of ovum. Okay, before touching the plasma membrane of ovum, it needs to cross all of these layers. Okay, and uh, after this corona radiata, there is some sticky material present which help them to इनको bind करने के लिए you have a sticky material around it. These sticky molecules are present around it. This is your hyaluronic acid. Okay, it act as a glue. This is your hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, which work as a glue to join these cells, join these layers together. So these are all the layers that sperm need to cross. Okay, these are all the layers that your sperm needs to cross. Now see what happens. We have these sperms. We have seen at the apex of the sperm, here it has acrosome. Okay, now there are some enzymes present in acrosome which helps the sperm to cover all these layers, because if it want to cover these, if it want to pass through these layer needs to be dissolved. Okay, इनको dissolve करना पड़ेगा. To dissolve these layers, to break their bond, we have enzymes present in acrosome. Okay, you have enzymes present in acrosome. We have some enzyme present in acrosome, okay, that help in dissolving all these layers. Like you have hyaluronidase, for hyaluronic acid layer. We have corona penetrating enzyme, CPE, to penetrate through corona radiata. And you have zona lysin to break the zona pellucida. Okay, so all of these enzymes are present in acrosome that help it dissolve these layers. Once it dissolves these layers, then it reaches to the plasma membrane. Okay, then it reaches to the plasma membrane. अब ये plasma membrane तक पहुंचेगा. Now, after it reaches to the plasma membrane, there are two reactions that takes place. Okay, after it reaches the plasma membrane, there are two reactions that takes place to block polyspermy. To block polyspermy. What is polyspermy? Nature, body or egg wants only one sperm to fuses with the egg. Okay, our body or the ovum wants only one sperm to fuses with the egg. For that purpose, okay, for that purpose, to block other sperms from entering. Okay, to block other sperms from entering, there are two reactions that takes place inside the ovum. Okay, there are two reactions that take place inside the ovum to block polyspermy. Polyspermy means the entering of multiple sperms into the ovum, because it will complicate the process, right? If multiple sperm enter inside the ovum, it will complicate the process. To block that, to block the polyspermy, and to ensure only one sperm enter the egg, we have two reactions that take place inside the egg. यहाँ तक समझ आ रहा है? Are we clear till here? बताओ. Have you understood what is polyspermy? All right. Okay, so now what happens as soon as your sperm touches, division starts and your ovum is formed. ठीक है, जैसे हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था, as soon as the sperm touches the plasma membrane, ठीक है, जैसे ही sperm ने plasma membrane को touch किया, your division start and the ovum is formed. Now after that, there are two reactions that takes place. The first is to block polyspermy. What happens? As soon as your sperm touches the membrane, sperm touches the membrane, because now it want to block the entry of other sperms. ठीक है, ठीक है. What happens? Sodium ions start entering into the ovum. Sodium entering. ठीक है, sodium ions start entering. As soon as sodium start entering, it will depolarize the membrane, right? As soon as sodium start enter, you must have seen this in neural control and coordination. जैसे ही sodium enter करेगा, it will depolarize the membrane. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. So depolarization हो गया, which will not allow. So what happens due to change in polarity? The other sperms will not be able to enter inside the sperm. ठीक है? Which block the entry of other sperm into ovum. ठीक है? But it happens for a shorter period of time. ठीक है? It happens for a shorter period of time. We call it fast blocking. ठीक है? It occurs for shorter period of time. ठीक है? It is fast blocking, but it is a temporary solution. It is a fast blocking. It happens first, but it is a temporary solution. We want a permanent solution, which is called slow blocking. The other reaction also start taking place, which is slow blocking, but it is a type of permanent solution. ठीक है? What happens in slow blocking? You have the see, in perivitelline space some granules are formed. ठीक है? Granules, please follow me on the board, everybody. चलो, slow blocking. अभी I guess we have less time. पहले you see till here, till fast blocking. ठीक है? After that, in next class, I'll start from slow blocking and we'll do cleavage, implantation. I think only 2 to 3 topics are left here. And also see, because we are doing revision now, so I want you people to suggest me if you want me to take some particular topics. Okay? Anything which is not clearer to you, whether it is from evolution, human health and disease हो गया, आपका क्या कहते हैं, you have biotech also, right? Biotech is also a bit difficult. So if you want any particular topics to be taken from there, right? If you want me to take some particular topic of biotech, because we have already completed all the chapters, right? We have already, you have already done all the chapters. So if you want me to take revision of some particular topics which you feel is difficult, so you can let me know. Okay, so please write in the chat box so that we can do that topics in next class or the class after that. Okay, because by then this chapter will be over, right? So if you want me to take some particular topic, some particular chapter, please let me know in the chat box. Till then, you can also note it down. कोई doubt है तो write in the chat box, and also let me know chapter that you want me to take in your next class. Okay, somebody say evolution. So is there any particular topic in evolution? Biotech. Okay, biotech evolution. Is there any particular topic in this chapter or the complete chapter you want me to take? The complete chapter or any particular topic? Complete, ma'am. Okay, so we shall take biotech or evolution. Let me know which chapter will we, which chapter shall we take first? Molecular basis. Okay, you have earlier also told me about molecular basis. Shall we do molecular basis of inheritance and variation, everybody? Shall we do molecular basis of inheritance and variation? Yes. All right. Okay. So next class we'll take only 2 to 3 topics are left from this chapter. So if we got time in next class only we'll start molecular basis. Otherwise the class after that. Okay. So next chapter that we'll take is molecular basis of inheritance. I hope everybody is fine with it. Now, if you have any doubts, write in the chat box. Otherwise you can leave the class. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. I'll see you in next class, everybody. Good evening. Thank you. Bye bye. All right. Take care. Bye. Yes, yes. Ask what is your question? Write in the chat box. Others can leave. If you do not have any doubt, you can leave. Yes, I'm fine. Why are you asking this? What do you think? I'm fine. Totally okay. See you. See you. Bye-bye. You're not visible. Yeah, actually, I'm not present at the center right now. Okay, so that is why, because I'm taking your class from the iPad. Most probably in the next week, I'll be taking the class from center and then you can see me, right? All right. We'll be meeting in next class. You can see me in the next class. I'll be taking class from center. Okay. Chalo. So, okay, if you have any doubt, I'll take in next class. Otherwise, we'll do the next topics. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you. Also, not noted. Which part? Second and third phase. Can you scroll the screen? Or yeah. Okay. Note it down. Let me know when it's done. Shall I end the class? Have you noted? Okay, take care. Bye. See you. Thank you.